Hi, I'm Lynn, and this video is a construction video on the Aquapond. In particular, it is about the installation of the electrical outlet. I had a GFCI plug installed on the back side of the aquaponics system, but close enough for any equipment that's in the pond to actually reach the box. It is a GFCI, that is a ground fault circuit interrupter, in case that if something happens and you're touching water or you're touching the equipment, you actually don't get shocked or you don't get electrocuted. You need a licensed electrician in order to install this. They're going to go inside the electrical box in order to do this. The electrician that came out even dug the trench that was needed and installed the wire in that trench and covered it up when they were done. It took a couple of hours for them to do this work, but it was well worth it. The box that they put in is actually a 4-socket box, and that allows me to be able to plug in up to 4 different pieces of equipment. I'll have at least 1 pump, possibly 2, and maybe even an aeration pump. And there's another plug available for lights that we might use. In the end, I was really excited about having the electrical box installed. It fit great. It's on the back side, so you won't be able to see it sitting on the porch, but I may actually decorate it with some pottery, some plants, or stone. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit like, subscribe, and the bell in order to get notifications about new videos. Thank you and have a good day.